Now, if I measured and marked right, this should go right there. I really love the look of these slat panels. It's like a slat wall with an acoustic panel on the back. So not only is it going to look cool, but it will also help absorb some of the echo and the sound transfer and whatnot. Now the problem was our tray ceiling is 8 feet 6 inches. Most of these slat panels come in 8-foot long panels, so we would have a seam. Now luckily Willow has a 9-foot panel, which is what we ordered, so we'll be able to do it all in one shot. All right, so we've got the ceiling installed, and then we went ahead and hung the ceiling fan. The other thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to add some accent lighting. I feel like a ceiling like this needs to be lit. I wanted to kind of finish off the bottom and kind of hide the lighting itself a little bit and get more of that indirect look. So I ordered the end caps, I believe is what they're called, from Willow that go with this. Essentially what we're gonna do, sneak this right up in there and tack it in place. So I hope you guys like this video. Obviously we had a blank canvas to start with, but being able to turn it into something like this was truly amazing. And I love the slat wood on the ceiling and then the accent lighting and the ceiling fan itself.